Ever seen a DIY project that seems too good to be true? Well, get ready, because this one looks totally fake, but it's 100% real. We're diving deep into a project that'll have you questioning reality, and then absolutely loving the stunning results. This is the kind of project that stops people in their tracks, leaving them wondering, how did they do that? Prepare to be amazed. What makes this project so incredibly special? It's all about perception, my friends. We're playing with illusions and tricks of the eye to create something that appears impossible, yet is completely achievable with a little bit of know-how and some dedicated effort. The beauty, the true art of this project, lies in the clever use of materials, the application of smart techniques, and a generous dash of creativity. It's a symphony of ingenuity. First, let's talk about the ultimate wow factor. This project aims to create something that completely defies all expectations. It's about taking something ordinary, something commonplace, and transforming it into something extraordinary, something that sparks wonder and captivates the imagination. Think of it as a form of magic, but instead of a magician's wand, we're armed with tools and a bit of good old-fashioned elbow grease and, of course, a healthy dose of inspiration. Now, for the juicy, delicious details that everyone craves. What exactly are we making? Well, I can't give everything away just yet, and completely spoil the surprise. Let's just say it involves a clever and ingenious use of common, readily available materials. Think things like wood, some really strong glue because that's essential, and a few other surprise elements that I won't reveal just yet to keep the mystery alive. The grand goal, the ultimate aspiration, is to build something that looks as if it's defying gravity, bending the very fabric of space, or maybe even undergoing a truly amazing transformation in its appearance before your very eyes. But here's the absolute best part, the icing on the cake. The cherry on top. This project isn't about requiring complicated skills, or a massive investment in expensive equipment. Absolutely not. This is all about the art of illusion, about the power of cleverly designed tricks and misdirection. You absolutely do not need to be a master craftsman, a seasoned DIY expert with years of experience, or a professional magician. The real focus here, the key to success, is on the sheer ingenuity of the design, and the clever application of simple, accessible techniques that anyone can master. It's all about thinking outside the box. So, why would you want to tackle a project like this? Why would you dedicate your time and energy to creating something so unique and visually stunning? First and foremost, it's incredibly rewarding. You'll get to experience the pure joy of seeing the surprised, utterly flabbergasted faces of your friends and family when you finally unveil the finished masterpiece. Second, it's a fantastic exercise in creativity, a true test of your imagination. It pushes you to think outside the box, to look at the world differently, and to find innovative and exciting solutions to all sorts of challenges. And third, and certainly not least, it's just plain, unadulterated, old-fashioned fun. It's a chance to unleash your inner artist and create something truly special. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire creative process, step by step, from start to finish. We'll cover everything from the initial planning stages, where the seed of the idea takes root, to the final, carefully considered touches that bring the project to life. I'll share all the tips, the clever tricks, and the hidden secrets you need to not only successfully complete this project, but also to truly shine and make it your own. Get ready to have your mind absolutely and completely blown. This DIY project is about to change everything you thought you knew about what's possible, about what you can achieve with your own two hands and a little bit of imagination. Are you ready to dive in, to take the plunge, and to embark on this thrilling adventure? Let's get started, and together, we'll make something that looks undeniably fake, but is, in fact, 100% real.